Sorry for the disturbance. I'm adjusting the slide.
Recording in progress.
Sorry for the disturbance. Mosses, the third highly developed bryophytes, that is a mosses. Here, just now I said that food seed and capsule is present. Now, in this diagram, you're seeing that same thing. I'll enlarge this. Here you're seeing that is a capsular part. Left hand side diagram, you're seeing the capsular part. That is, it consists of three parts: apophysis, theca, and operculum. Operculum part, the cap-like structure you're seeing, that will be dehiscensed. Afterward, peristomial teeth, you're seeing the third diagram. These are the teeth which helps in hygroscopic. They'll absorb the moisture when it is dry. After absorbing that, it will dry and teeth will be loosened, and due to that, spores which are present inside this, they are dispersed. So in the second diagram, you're seeing the peristomial teeth structure. These are the three bryophytes we have covered. That is Marcantia, that is, it comes under Hepaticopsida. Second one, Anthoceratopsida, Anthoceros, and third one is Bryopsida, under that Funaria as well as Polytrichum. Then economic importance of bryophytes. Bryophytes are somewhat useful for us. So economic importance of bryophytes we are studying now. Some mosses provide food for herbaceous mammals, birds, and animals. So these plants, they'll grow in wetter region. That's why these plants can act as food for animals, as birds, as well as for human beings also. Sphagnum is the main component of peat. What is peat? Peat is the undecomposed organic matter on the soil. This peat, whenever it is there, sphagnum, this plant itself, it acts as a peat. So this means after decomposition, this is undecomposed organic matter is called as peat, whereas partially decomposed organic matter is called as humus. So this humus increases the fertility of the soil. So sphagnum, it acts as a peat. Afterwards, it decomposes, and then it will change. It will make the soil fertile. Sphagnum has the capacity to hold water. This is the most important feature of the sphagnum. It can retain the water inside that. It has the capacity to hold water. Mosses along the lichens to colonize rocks. Means in plant succession, you might have studied that on the rock, zero seed development. So on the rock, lichens will grow. Some of the mosses, whenever moisture is there on the cracks of the rock, these spores of lichens and mosses, they'll germinate and produces the greenery. So they are called as pointers of succession. Mosses form dense mat on soil and reduce the impact of falling rains and prevent soil erosion. These mosses, they'll reduce the soil erosion because when they are growing on the wet soils, they'll water absorption capacity of the soil will increase, as well as it prevents the soil erosion feature. So this is about bryophytes, general characteristics. Next class, we'll start with first type of bryophytes, that is Markantia. Is it audible?
Okay. Is there any doubt, my dear friends? Madam has clearly explained about the general characteristic features of the Bryophyta, classification of Bryophyta in detail, and the finally economic importance of Bryophyta. Classification of Bryophyta, economic importance of Bryophyta, general characteristic features of the Bryophyta. So these three aspects Madam has clearly explained in today's class. So my dear friends, regarding of this class, if you have any doubt, please interact with our respected madam. So I have given an option to interact with our madam. Please you may interact with madam Roja, Sumaya and other uh, students. Some of the students are left due to net issue or other problem. So, madam,
Okay,
thank you
okay,
very
sir.
much. Tomorrow we will meet.
Thank you.
The
Oh,
time will inform in the WhatsApp group.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you very much, madam. Thank you.